Family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. This week, it's kind of, to me, it's kind of look like a little slow because there's some deals out there. But I was thinking about Saturday doing another 5 off of 30 gain with the 5 off of 25. And then I had seen some Christmas stuff that I might do a 5 off of 25 with, which, you know, it's only going to probably be $20 coming out of my pocket, but still, some little, you know, Christmas items, because they have, this year I've looked and they have some cute Christmas items. I seen where, I forgot the girl's name. She had went into the store and was showing us some, you know, the items that they have. And their little ornaments are $1, so they're cheaper than the Dollar Tree, because, you know, Dollar Tree is $1.25. So theirs is $1, and I was like, oh my goodness, they are so cute. I hope that the Dollar General stores that we have, you know, here in my area, got some cute, you know, ornaments. And then I seen where they had some black Santa Claus, small ones, and I've been looking for some black small Santa Claus. And then also I seen some they look like a big candle stand, and they had them in 2 different sizes. So I seen those and I said I wanted to pick those up too. But I want to see if they have like a 50% off of their Christmas items first before I go head in. I hope. Now, I'm praying when they do, but I'm scared that if I wait, then all the items be gone. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but it is what it is if it happens. So let me stop rambling because y'all know how I do. Let's go ahead and get to this video. All right. So the first thing that I got was some Suavitel Complete. I know there's a deal out there where there's a coupon that if you buy the Suavitel, the fabric softener, you get the Suavitel sheets free. But I had a paper coupon that was 50 cents off of the Suavitel sheets, the 36 count. So I just got that. So this is $1.95, and there's a 50 cents off a 50 cents off paper coupon if you go on, I think it's coupons.com. If it's still out there, you can get that, and I use that for that. The next thing is the Scott Comfort Plus 6 rows. Also, there is the 12 rows. The 6 rows, they are $3.35, and you know the 12 rows is $5. So there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So I just went ahead and got the 6 rows. The next thing is this Crest Pro Health. This is the 3.3 ounce. It is $1, and I had a $1 off digital coupon, making that free. Then the next thing I got, now y'all, this right here, make sure that y'all coupon come off, because it did not come out for me, and I will show you. This is the Pearl Milling Company pancake mix. I do need this anyway, because any other time I would have just returned the item. But this is $2.85. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this. And then also it's attaching to the syrup if you get the syrup. So this is $2.85, $1 off digital. And I also looked to make sure that the ounce was right, and it is right on the coupon. So it did not come off on mine. So y'all want to pay attention to that. So then the last thing I got was these Reese's peanut butter. If anybody out there baking, y'all might want to go ahead and purchase these. They are $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So after she had rung up everything, I put my number in. Mainly all my digitals came off, but not all. My subtotal was $8.65. And you know, everybody's taxes is different, so let me show you my receipt. There's the crest. There's the Suavitel. There is right there the pancake mix. I'm sorry, y'all. My grandbaby is on my arm. And you see where it did not come off. And then the Scott's, the Reese's. Then there's my total savings, $8.65. And I saved $3. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I saved $3.50. And then I did not get a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. No paper, 5 off of 25 came off, y'all. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's Child.